10 Life-Changing Productivity Hacks. Do you feel productive and overwhelmed by your never-ending to-do list? It's time to revolutionize how you approach productivity with these 10 life-changing hacks. These tips will help you optimize your time and achieve more than you ever thought possible. Let's get started. 1. Block time out of your day. Set aside dedicated blocks of time for specific tasks and stick to them. This will help you stay focused, minimize distractions, and maximize your time. 2. Use the Pomodoro Technique. The Pomodoro Technique is a time management method that involves working in 25-minute intervals followed by 5-minute breaks. This technique can help you improve your focus and avoid burnout. 3. Prioritize your tasks. Make a to-do list and prioritize your tasks based on their importance and urgency. This will help you tackle the most critical tasks and avoid feeling overwhelmed. 4. Avoid multitasking. Multitasking can lead to decreased productivity and increased stress. Instead, focus on one task at a time to ensure you're giving your full attention to each task. 5. Take breaks. Taking breaks is essential for maintaining productivity and avoiding burnout. Schedule regularly throughout the day to recharge and refresh your mind. 6. Outsource non-essential tasks. If you have optional tasks that can be done by someone else, consider outsourcing them. This will help free up your time and allow you to focus on the tasks that require your attention. 7. Automate repetitive tasks. If you have repetitive tasks, consider automating them. This will save you time and energy and help you streamline your workflow. 8. Set achievable goals. Setting achievable goals is crucial for maintaining motivation and staying on track. Make sure your goals are specific, measurable, and attainable. 9. Avoid distractions. Distractions can derail your productivity and save valuable time. Consider turning off notifications on your phone, closing unnecessary tabs on your computer, and finding a quiet workspace to minimize distractions. 10. Learn to say no. It's easy to take on too much and overload yourself, but saying no can help you maintain a healthy work-life balance and avoid burnout. By implementing these tips, you'll be well on becoming a productivity powerhouse.